2026 Honda CR-V Hybrid. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Find what you are looking for and more with these extra features: cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, moonroof, backup camera, memory seat, tinted windows. Come in now. This vehicle is ready for immediate delivery.